Welcome back to Philosophy, and in today's episode, I'm going to talk about the three major differences between web designers and web developers. Number one on the list, web designers are more responsible for the actual looks and the aesthetics of an actual website. They're the architects who are responsible in building up the concepts, choosing the colors, choosing the shapes, and making the website look appealing to the public eye. Web developers, on the other hand, are like the engineers who are responsible for the foundation of the website and also the functions of a website. They're the ones who make sure that a website is built the right way in order for it not to crash in the future. Number two on the list is the difference of tools that these designers and developers use to build a website. Web designers use tools that are more on the creative side and the artistry side, and web developers use tools that are more focused on the technical side, just like programming. The third difference between a web designer and a web developer is the set of skills that they both have. Web designers use more on the creativeness and the artistry side of the brain, whether that's the left or the right, and web developers, just like engineers, are more on the technical side. So it's more of the technical skills that they need to acquire, just like programming. And programming involves a different set of languages that they need to be familiar with in order to build a successful functioning website. I could really go in depth about the difference between a web designer and a web developer, but in order for you to have the actual knowledge as a business owner, at least knowing these three major differences between a web designer and a web developer would help you put yourself in a position on how to hire the right person for your website project. I'd like to thank you for watching this episode. I hope this educates you on the topic on hand. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also that bell button to get notifications on the latest uploads I do every week. In the case you'll require a team or agency to build a website for you, don't forget to check out Mediafied.com. I have a bunch of web developers ready to build your website, and we offer the best plans and packages for every website need that you'll require.